Here's the tweet. The Democrats are pushing for universal health care while thousands of people are marching in the UK because their universal system is going broke and not working. Okay. Perhaps not surprisingly, the tweet came after this segment on Fox and Friends.
Thousands took to the streets of London over the weekend to demand the government come up with more money for Britain's overburdened National Health Service, the same universal system that Democrats have continued to push for here in the United States.
Small point of clarification, Democrats have not pushed for National Health Service. Single payer is not the same thing. But the president also took time to thank Fox and Friends, quote, for exposing the truth. So what is the deal with those protests? And how do British citizens feel about their universal health care?
Thousands took to the streets of London over the weekend to demand the government come up with more money for Britain's overburdened National Health Service, the same universal system that Democrats have continued to push for here in the United States.
That's how Fox and Friends characterized a national health care march in London over the weekend. And the president, taking a cue from his favorite show, tweeted that thousands of people are marching in the UK because their EU system is going broke and not working. The fact of the matter is that this was a pro-national healthcare march, and that tens of the thousands of people were protesting against cuts to healthcare, not against the system itself. A fact made evident by Britain's Conservative Health Secretary Jeremy Hunt, who tweeted, "I may disagree with claims made on that march, but not one of them wants to live in a system where 28 million people have no cover." Spokesperson for Theresa May backed up the health secretary in a statement saying the prime minister is proud of having an NHS which is free at the point of delivery. The opposition Labour Party also joined in rebuking Trump, leader Jeremy Corbyn, calling healthcare a universal right and reminding Trump that those in glass houses shouldn't throw stones.
I can't really go through the thought process of Donald Trump on this matter. All I would say to him is that millions of Americans don't get access to any kind of health care.